Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Dan Thompson, and today we're going to be looking at Scout's 210 Dorado. This family-friendly fishing machine is at home in the intercoastal as it is offshore. Some of the features that make this boat special are dual captain seats. As we move forward to the helm, adjustable steering wheel, 9-inch Garmin display, great, highly visible engine readouts from Yamaha. And this boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Fusion radio, good size head, in-floor storage, great storage underneath the helm, and a nice large bow area for relaxing on a sunny day. As you move back to the stern of the boat, got nice easy access to your bilge and your batteries. Good sized live well over on your port side. Large stern seat that pulls out or folds out of the way depending on how you're entertaining that day. A nice ski pylon for water sports and plenty of rod holders. This boat can be seen here at MarineMax Stuart. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in the MarineMax inventory, again, my name is Dan Thompson. You can reach me on my cell at 978-375-1584. Look forward to seeing you on the water.